In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask someone how they're doing and how to answer with some simple, basic German words. And this is going to be a great way to make your first conversations in German feel more natural. Let's start by asking, how are you? There's two common ways that we can ask someone how they're doing. We can ask, wie geht's? Or wie geht es dir? And both mean, how are you? Wie geht's is short and common, and wie geht es dir is a little longer, but both mean the same thing. These are both informal. And so if we want to ask someone how they are in formal language, we would say, wie geht es Ihnen? So Sie is the formal pronoun you learned. What is Ihnen? So Ihnen is a form of Sie. I know it doesn't look anything like Sie, but the word changes in different cases. So just trust me for now. We say, wie geht es Ihnen? With a capital I. The formal Sie is always capital S, and Ihnen is always starting with a capital I. So wie geht es Ihnen is how are you in a formal situation. Now, how can we answer that? We can say gut, good, danke, thank you. Gut, danke, good, thank you. We can say sehr gut, very good, sehr gut. We can say nicht so gut, not so good, nicht so gut. Es geht, I'm okay. Es geht, it's going. Or super, great, super. Super. Remember that S sounds like a Z in German. Super. And the ER, it's more like an A. Super. Now I have an interactive exercise for you to complete. Drag the words into the right boxes and check your answers. Now, after you answer, you could ask wie geht's or wie geht es dir, or you could say und dir and you, or und Ihnen and you formal, und dir. Notice how du has become dir, just like I can become me and my. There's du, dich, and dir, different forms of du, but we'll get into those later. These are just very basic phrases we want to memorize for now. This is our first contact with German, and so these are just our first phrases we're learning. For now, focus on the simple phrases und dir und Ihnen, and we'll get into the why a little bit later. Let's look at a short conversation. Anna says, Hallo, wie geht's? Hello, how are you? You could say, Gut, danke. Und dir? Good, thank you. And you? Gut, danke. Und dir? And you? And she would say, Auch gut, danke. Also good, thank you. A very basic German conversation. And one extra useful word is auch, also. This word can help you emphasize things in your German sentences. Auch gut, danke. Also good, thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson, German learners. You finished Module 1 and you're ready for Module 2. I'll see you in the next lesson, German learners.